Did you know some people literally hear a massive explosion in their heads just as they drift off to sleep? It's a real, terrifying phenomenon called exploding head syndrome. Imagine a bomb detonating, a gun firing, or a cymbal crashing right inside your skull. But don't worry, your head isn't actually exploding. It's an auditory hallucination, a harmless but incredibly vivid noise that happens as your brain transitions into sleep. Scientists believe it's caused by a glitch in the brain's shutdown process. And here's the twist: stress and fatigue can trigger it. So, the more exhausted you are, the louder the silence might become. Have you ever experienced it?